Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we are going to understand about Tally along with the GST features. Shall we go to our PPT to understand Tally with the GST? Okay. So exactly what is GST? It is a sales and service tax. It is a sales and service tax. Earlier, sales tax is there and service tax are quite different. Both are different. Now, service tax and sales tax both are included, merged, and making into one tax, one India, one tax like that. One rate also, but India it is not possible to have one rate. There are 4 rates are there. The aim of this tax is one India, one tax, not any other taxes. For a complication of tax calculations, identifying the loopholes, that is a major problem for India. That's why Government of India introduced in 2017 GST, Goods and Services Tax. This tax is imposed on the goods sold or the services given. The GST is paid by the consumers and it was given to traders, government, through the traders. The responsibility of the trader is to collect the tax and remit to government. So the history indicates that it was way back it was started, and there are more than 160 countries are adopted this tax. The main intention of India is to adopt GST is we are different with the other countries in tax compliance. So once the goods were imported from other countries, their tax structure is different, our tax structure is different. That's why India joined in the countries which are adopting GST in 2017 by introducing one tax. Many countries are adopted and India is adopted GST in 2017. The object of this GST is to eliminate the tax on tax. The main object of this tax GST as well as earlier VAT is to eliminate the tax on tax. That is called as the cascading effect of tax. To save the consumer for excess burden on tax. So started journey in the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. Many did tried for many times introducing the GST, and in 2015 they succeeded in Lok Sabha as well as in other Rajya Sabha also they succeeded. Overall it is from July onwards, 1st July onwards, 2017 onwards, GST was in force in whole India. Earlier in Jammu Kashmir also, presently Jammu Kashmir is integrated with the tax laws for India. So, before GST, there are 2 types of taxes we know very well. Those are direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax are income tax, wealth tax, and central excise tax are there. And direct income tax and wealth tax. Indirect tax are central taxes and state taxes. Central taxes are excise, service tax, and customs duty. State taxes are VAT, entry tax, lot, luxury tax, and lottery tax, etc. Before GST. Now, the direct taxes are as usual. Indirect taxes are all the indirect taxes are merged into GST. Okay. GST is three types. One is CGST, Central Government Goods and Services, Central Goods and Services Tax. State SGST, State Goods and Services Tax, and IGST is Integrated GST, that is Goods and Services Tax. CGST, the tax included in CGST are central excise, additional duty of customs, service tax, surcharges and all cess. And state government tax, VAT, entertainment, luxury, lottery, entry, purchase tax are called or merged as a CGST. And central sales tax, earlier it is there when the VAT is in force before GST. That CST is called as a IGST. So, for each and every company which would like to do business more than certain threshold limit is there, turnover limit is there, they have to register with the GST authorities, indirect tax officials. CTO is there, commercial tax officer is there. They have to register. So once they registered, they will get a 15 digits code, and through that code they may collect and they may pay GST to the governments on the goods and services either purchased or sold. So what are the documentation required for registration is proof of constitution of business, where it is working, bank account details, additional place of business. When a business is running more than one place, then where it is working, where it is running, partners, directors details, goods or services to be supplied, what are the goods and services they are supplying, HSN code of goods and services, photographs of the partners, any other documents as may be prescribed. So once company or the partners applied for GST, then they will get a 15 digits number, GST number, that is called GSTIN, identification number. That number indicates first two digits are state code. For Telangana it is 36 and first two digits are that state code. Next 10 digits, then 10 digits are the PAN number of the company. Next is entry number of the same PAN holder. It indicates that if the company is running the business in Hyderabad and it is having additional businesses in other states or other places, then if it is running only in Hyderabad or Telangana, one will be there. Running in other states or other places, second other place, then two will be there. Like that, how many places it is running business, it will be allotted that number. After PAN or PAN number, the next number indicates the how many number of business. Z is a default alphabet, and 5 will be given for checking purpose. Okay, that is the registration of GST number. So we are taking one problem, and from that we will understand GST. Okay, same procedure will be the same. Okay, we will go for tally. We will open Alt F3 on company, create company. GST practice. Here, country as well as state is very important. India, because rules, GST rules or taxes are different from state to state and country to country. Not that much, but little bit difference will be there. PIN code number. So problem is GST enabled problem, and go to F11, statutory taxation, GST enabled problem. Here, remember students, enable goods and service tax. That we have to enable that one. Next, set as to set or alter GST details. Yes. Telangana, regular type. Here we will give the number. 1Z5. Verify the company GST. And it is asking, would like to verify online, okay? And period city of GST are 1. These are the forms. How frequently it will be generated. It is asking, we will take monthly. That's all. And after creating the company, we have to enable GST features. Now we will go to creation of ledger accounts. Ledgers. Ram started business. Capital. Under capital accounts. And deposited into bank. Under bank accounts. Paid for office buildings. Under fixed assets. Furniture. Under fixed assets. Purchases. We will take later, okay? Purchases. Wages. Wages under indirect expenses. Salaries under indirect expenses. Return money to Avinash in settlement of the account. So Avinash we have to create. We purchased goods from Avinash. Avinash is sundry creditor. Sold goods to Shekhar, Mr. Shekhar. Under sundry debtor. Interest. Indirect income. Discount received. Just a minute, students. Allowed. This is allowed under indirect Direct expenses. Next one is newspaper. Indirect income. Sale of newspaper is indirect income. Furniture. Already we created furniture. Control A for save. Students will learn Control A. Right. Now purchase and sales we create single ledger. Okay. Create purchases under purchase account. Sales under sales accounts. Next CGST, Central Government Central Goods and Services Tax. CGST. Duties and taxes. It is considered duties and taxes. So in the problem it was given 12%. CGST is 6%. It is calculated on total sales. Rounding method. Okay, right. Next to SGST. Same duties and taxes. That's 6% on total sales. Not applicable. Right. Okay. Now we will go to voucher entry. Accounting vouchers. First one is receipt, F6. Capital. Amount is 2 lakhs. Cash. Narration is business started with the cash and rolling. Again deposited into bank, F4. Cash. Amount 40,000. By bank 40,000. Narration is a bank account data to cash account. Paid for office furniture and buildings. Payment voucher F5. Buildings. Amount 50,000. Furniture. Both the voucher at a time I am passing. Okay. Both are payment only. Both are related to cash only. Right. Next to tables and chairs are there. So we will go back and create tables and chairs. Account info. Stock items. Create. Unit we have to create are called as numbers. NO Here I created units while creating the stock items. Okay, it is asking something. No alternative units, not applicable. Right. Next, chase. No alternative units. Alternative units in the sense dozens and numbers. X are measured in dozens, like that alternative units. Right. So again we will go to voucher entry, counting vouchers. Purchase voucher. F9. Party name is Avinash. Purchases. Two checks, two tables. Two tables. Main location. Quantity is 2. Rate is 2000. And next end of the list. Next one is chase. Chase 500. Now we have to select the tax. First GST. 6% already we created. When we are creating CGST or SGST, we gave 6%. And we instruct the computer to calculate on total sales. Okay, that's why it is calculated 10,000 into 6% CGST. And SGST. Now CGST is 10,000. That is the method of applying the GST in purchases and sales. Right. Next, paid wages, payment FI. Wages. Amount is 2,000. Salaries 1,000. To cash. Return money to in settlement of 10,500. That is payment. Avinash. Amount is 9,500. To cash 9,500. Next to sold goods to shaker. Sales affiliate. Shaker. Sales. Tables. To 2,500. Chase. Main location. And chase. At the rate of 1,000. to apply the tax. See, SGST 6%, CGST 6%, marriage. Okay, that's received interest on bank account. F6 receipt. Interest account, bank account related to interest account. So we were not created interest, I think. Yes, we created interest. Amount is 500. That was deposited into bank account. Interest received. Received from Shaker after discount 500. Shaker bill amount is 15,000. Received. Shaker 16,800 Shaker amount. 16,300 we received against reference. And discount allowed 500. Cash 15,800. Mr. Shaker 16,800 against reference. Discount allowed 500. Cash 15,300. That's all. Sold newspaper receipt F6. Newspaper amount is 450. Furniture also sale amount is 4,000. Cash received. So that is the entry part. Okay. Now we will go to summary part. Display. Statement of accounts. Group summary, okay. Duties and taxes. Alt F1. So we paid 600 tax and we collected 900. Different amount is 300. That should be paid to government. We have to pass one more entry. Okay, that is regarding GST. So in this video lecture, we understand what is GST, what is GST, and later how to solve the GST problems whenever they were given in the question bank or that we understood well. Okay, students, you practice. Okay, bye students. We will meet again with the next video. Before that, please subscribe. Bye.